Oops! Oh, I can't do anything well. Can anyone help me? Little Bear, you look very unhappy. My mom's birthday is coming. I tried to make a big meal for her, but I failed. No worries. Leave it to us. Got it. I have a recipe. We can follow the instructions and make a delicious birthday meal. That's great. Thank you. Then let's go out and collect ingredients together. Let's go! Look! The ingredients are up there. But we can't reach them. Well, there it is. Kids, can you help cut the... Wow! We've got some delicious ingredients! Great job! Wow! We've got some delicious ingredients! Great job! Wow! We've got some delicious ingredients! Let's try again. Let's try again. Let's try again. We have all the ingredients. Let's cook. Add the seasoning to make the dish more delicious. Great job! New spices have appeared. Help us collect them. Look! The ingredients are up there. But we can't... Great job! This is the last seasoning. The delicious dish is almost complete. Great job! Let's cook. The delicious dish will be ready soon.